Welcome to today's video. Keep watching to see how we turn this into chocolate syrup. For today's recipe, you're going to need 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1½ cups boiling water. Today I'm melting my chocolate in a double boiler. To make one at home, just grab a pot, a heat-safe bowl, put it on top, and put just enough water in it to where it'll create steam, but not so much water that it touches the bowl. Make sure to stick around to the end of today's video just to have a little laugh at something I put together. When your chocolate is melted, you're just going to pour in the sugar and the salt and stir it to combine. Chocolate syrup was once used by pharmacists to mask the bitter taste medicines provided, and eventually it found its way into soda fountains when pharmacists were able to mix it with soda water. But nowadays we use this delicious treat to top ice cream, dip pretzels in fruit, or to just make good old chocolate milk or hot cocoa. Next, you're going to add in the boiling water and stir it to combine. Then you're going to transfer it to a pot and put it on the stove and boil for 5 minutes. And at this point, I realized something is not right. As I'm boiling everything, I noticed that it's not coming together like a syrup should. It looks like you poured coffee grounds into it. But long story short, after some research, I realized that I overheated my chocolate. If this happens to you, just pour the mixture in a heat-safe bowl and get your hand mixer and mix on high for about 8 to 10 minutes, and everything will come together into a syrup. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you feel like sticking around, please subscribe. We are going to be up to more vintage cookery shenanigans. Feel free to like the video and leave a comment telling me what you think. I also want to say a big hello, welcome to some new subscribers I've been seeing. Just want to let you guys know I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.